Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax Challan online. First, navigate to the official tax payment portal. You'll need to identify the correct Challan type, like Challan 280 for income tax, and select the relevant assessment year. This ensures your payment is correctly attributed to the right period. Make sure to have your permanent account number, or PAN, ready for accurate entry into the system. Next, carefully select the specific Challan form you need, such as Challan 280 for individual income tax. Then, accurately input your permanent account number, or PAN, or your tax deduction and collection account number, TAN, if applicable. Double-check the assessment year to ensure your payment is applied to the correct financial period. This step is crucial for proper tax reconciliation. Now, enter the exact tax amount under the appropriate head, such as income tax, surcharge, or education cess. Be precise with these figures. After that, choose your preferred payment method. Options typically include net banking or debit card. Before finalizing, review all the details you've entered on the summary page to prevent any errors. Finally, you'll be redirected to your bank's portal to complete the transaction securely. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a Challan identification number, or CIN, which is vital for tracking. Remember to download and save the eChallan receipt. This document serves as proof of your tax payment and should be kept for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.